children.
Hello, young explorers. Today, I am taking you on a journey through the world of artificial intelligence, where we will learn how artificial intelligence helps create maps and entire new worlds. Did you know that with artificial intelligence, you can design parks, cities, and even whole planets? Let us see how my students do it. Come along with me. In the quiet zone, I met RoboSquirrel and DronoParrot. Both were fascinated by making maps with artificial intelligence. RoboSquirrel shared that she wanted to generate a map of her favorite forest, but by accident she wrote too general a description, and the artificial intelligence drew a cookie factory in the middle of the clearing. DronoParrot added that when she tried to create a map of clouds, instead of the sky, she got a water park with a giant slide. I explained to them that artificial intelligence needs very clear instructions. The more precisely we describe what we want to see, the better artificial intelligence will understand us. On the Bridge of Change, I met Mecha-Turtle and Mecha-Kitten. They talked about how they used artificial intelligence to design the space around the new laboratory. Mecha-Turtle explained that thanks to artificial intelligence, they managed to plan the perfect spots for robotic arms and transport systems. Mecha-Kitten proudly added that the algorithms helped him predict how lighting conditions would change throughout the day, so now the building's facade can adjust to the sun. I told them that making maps with artificial intelligence is not just about drawing. It is also about predicting and simulating many elements at once. In the coding garden, I met NeuroMonkey and RoboBunny. I decided to check their knowledge and asked what they knew about creating maps with artificial intelligence. NeuroMonkey answered that artificial intelligence analyzes data from different sources, like satellites or sensors, and can create accurate representations of terrain. RoboBunny added that with artificial intelligence, you can design entire cities, making sure there are places for people, nature, and technology. I praised them for their good answers. Creating maps with artificial intelligence is a process that combines data with imagination. Today, we learned that artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can create maps and plan spaces. For it to work well, we need to describe exactly what we want to achieve. Artificial intelligence cannot read our minds, but if we tell it clearly, it can create truly amazing things. See you on our next adventure.